Peace and love to my beautiful Cosmiq Soul family. I'm the Cosmiq Soul Plug, and today we're going to chop it up about the infamous birthday number 6. So, if this is your birthday number, this means you are a very responsible as well as a family oriented individual. And you may also have a huge love for animals. More than likely, you're big on loyalty, and you may also be a bit of a perfectionist. Okay. And you can also be very thoughtful when it comes to others. At times, you may be a bit nosy, though. Okay. When it comes to the affairs of others. And in this lifetime, you're supposed to be focused on learning the lessons of surviving betrayal. So today was a short one, using my keep it sweet, short and sweet method that I like to use. And that's pretty much all I have today for my beautiful Cosmiq Soul family. And again, if you happen to like the content that I've been sharing on this channel, please feel free to hit that like button, leave a positive comment if you wish. And don't be afraid to hit that sub button or that bell notification so that you're always aware of or the first to know when I've uploaded a video, because to me, that's icing on the cake with the cherry on top, which equates to love at the end of the day. Okay. So again, I'm the Cosmiq Soul Plug, and I'll catch you beautiful people in the next video. Peace and love. Ashe.